I'll do that now. So teams, while we're waiting to start, when you come up or when we get finished with the awards, please bring your name tags up and put them in that box over there. Not now. We're live. So now I'm going to stand here for 5 minutes and not say anything. No, just kidding. Welcome everyone to the Fall 2021 UTDesign Expo. My name is Todd Polk. I'm the instructor for the Biomedical Engineering class. And this is Robert Hart, the instructor for the Mechanical Engineering class, which, as you all well know, we teach in one big happy group because, as most of you know, you had mixed teams of projects, right? With both biomed and mechanical students on it. So rather than do it separate, we threw it all together to make life easy. So thank you all for coming out, friends, family. Thank you for being here to support your sons and daughters today. They have put in a ton of work. Having been up here at 10 o'clock last night, most of them were still putting in a ton of work. It was really great to see all the hard work they did, and I hope you're proud of the accomplishments and the prototypes and the things that they accomplished. So. Before we get into the awards, there are some introductions and thank yous that we need to pass out, so I'm going to turn it over to Robert to do that.
Thanks, and I'll add my welcome to everyone as well. We want to, before we jump into the awards, we want to recognize some of the people that make all of this possible. So, and it really does take a large group of people. This is not just any other class. It takes quite a group of people to make this experience happen. So first of all is the sponsors who provide the projects for us. So these are the companies, the individuals, the organizations that provide the projects, and it provides an experience that's really second to none for our seniors. And within those companies are the specific clients. These are what we call the clients. These are the people that the teams are meeting with on a weekly basis, really serves as their customers. And we do appreciate, I don't know if any of them are here, but if you are, we really do appreciate your time and dedication that you've put into making these projects. So. The other group we want to recognize is our team mentors. So these are the individuals who also work with the teams separately every week. We kind of consider them an internal resource for the teams. And they're meeting with the teams, helping them through all kinds of technical issues. And so let's give them a round of applause as well. So we've got a few people we want to recognize individually who play a really important role in the UTDesign program. First of all, Rod Wetterskog over there. Rod. Thanks, Rod, for all you do. A lot of you may or may not know who Rod is, but he does a ton of work behind the scenes to keep the studio working and to keep all of this, to keep this whole program up and running. Nancy Finch. Nancy, if you're here, thank you. The hardest working procurement person in the world, Audrin. Thank you for making miracles happen. And then our studio managers is Jean and Amanda. I see a wave, yeah, way back there. They're here for a good portion of the day, every day, ready to help out our teams, and we really thank them for all their dedication. Across the street, we have our machine shop that makes a lot of our parts and consults with all of our teams to help them with the manufacturing aspects of their projects. So Mark, Andrew, Eric, we really do appreciate what you're doing. Thanks. And then finally, our TAs that help us out. They do a lot of work behind the scenes, especially supporting us, and they've done a lot here today to make the expo run smoothly. So Eric, Nathaniel, thank you. All right, that's the end of my part, so I will turn it back over
Back to me.
to you.
Oh. In addition to the UTDesign staff that we just met that does a great job of keeping everything running here, we also today had some wonderful assistance from both the biomedical and mechanical engineering departments. So from Biomed, Edita Nad, Dina Garza, and Hannah Hudgens, who took pictures and is doing video live stream right now. Wave in front of the camera so they can see you.
Oh, no, I'm good.
Yeah, no, okay. And from the mechanical engineering department, Amanda Hodges, sorry, I can read, I just can't read. And over here, orchestrating everything as she has for probably the last 6 years with us. Honestly, we could not do Expo without Jennifer Klunk. She's ignoring us as she's frantically trying to make sure her Teams feed is working.
You're making me blush.
You're not on camera, we are. Okay, so how about some awards? Oh, I thought you might like those. So every cohort of teams, we tend to divide up into some subgroups so we can give out more than one set of awards because it gives more awards. It's more fun that way. So this time we have a separate design challenge. So 3 teams sponsored by Dr. Gil Salazar, who's hiding over here. Competed in a design challenge to come up with the best solution for training healthcare workers how to prevent violence. We'll get to that award in a second. The other teams are divided up into either kind of a mechanical focus or a biomedical focus. And you'll notice there's probably some overlap, and you may see somebody who wins and go, well, that's not really one, it's the other. But we had to decide how to divide you into the 2 pieces, so we did. So before we get to that, though, those of you that had a chance to walk by the hallway or saw the teams with their little infographics posted up on their tables and their displays. So we have each team create an infographic. So we try to keep things as industry-like as possible here. So we got away from academic posters, and we build infographics that we can actually use on social media to promote the teams and the companies and UTDesign and what we do here. So every team created an infographic. We had a separate set of judges evaluate those. And the winning team for the best infographic is my team, and I had nothing to do with judging, 1287. I literally had nothing to do with the judging, I promise. Guys, come on. Completely independent judging, I had nothing to do with it, I promise you. Go stand over there and take pictures. Here, hold this. You hold this. There you go. Yeah. I had nothing to do with it. Talk to the people in the green shirts and other ones like that. They all voted.
Dinner tonight.
Okay, watch my fingers.
Dan, just look beside it. He's like,
Thank you.
We're going back and forth just to make it confusing.
Are we?
Oh, fine.
Oh, we're putting a tag out, we come back.
Huh?
All right.
What?
Hang on to them.
Hang on to them. There's more awards. You never know.
Design challenge.
Since I talked about it, you can come
All
back.
right. All right, now for the design challenge winner. So of the 3 teams, the judges felt like team 1299 provided the best solution. 1299. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
All right, I'll get close.
Nice job, guys. All right, now over to the runner-ups in both other categories. So in the biomedical application category, the runner-up is a team sponsored by Hobo Loco, Team 1289. Magic Feet. Congratulations. There you go. You bet. You guys did the work. Don't look at us. We didn't even judge. You put us together to hand out the awards. Somebody's happy.
All right. Okay, good. Sorry.
They don't move until you tell them.
Sorry.
Let me say speech. Should be this one.
All right. All right, so the runner-up for mechanical engineering application, team 1301. You can thank them for all the coffee they provided today.
Free coffee for everyone. Good job, guys.
I told you were the winner.
You're close.
Hey guys, together.
Backstage.
Get close together.
Act like you like each other.
Okay, you on the end. You're too far. Too far. This way, guys. This way. All right. And one. Got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good job, guys. Well, yeah, you can't win runner-up and first place, so you can put your name tags in there. Yeah, you're done. Oh. All right, and now to the winners of Expo for the day. So on the biomedical application side, the first place team was sponsored by UT Southwestern Medical Center. It is team 1296. The candy cane had nothing to do with it. Again, I'm not a judge. Just saying.
Oh my goodness. Right, looking good. You want one without the mask?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that.
Not on purpose.
Sure.
I guess so.
All right, big smiles, guys. 3, 2. Your head in the back, a little more this way. 3, 2, 1. Got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
You can live with your badges in there because y'all are done now too. You can't win the other categories. So. You can go home. You gotta clean up your mess. Clean up all those candy canes.
All right, and our final award for the first place mechanical engineering project is team 1291.
A cheer from the back corner of the place. This might take 5 minutes to get here, right? Corporate minute. Oops, forgot to change that one. Come take pictures, man. Come on.
Woo!
That's awesome.
Okay, guys, take your masks off for me. And this guy on the end, keep more in, more in. Can you all scoot down a little? Yep, yep. Good deal. One more. Congratulations.
Thank you. All right, way to go, guys. All right, congratulations to those that won awards today. And congratulations to all the teams. We told you all this morning when we kicked off. We told you all when we kicked off that we were really proud of all of you. Not everyone obviously wins an award, but that doesn't mean that what you didn't do was awesome. And I've seen a lot of smiling sponsors who didn't win awards who are pretty darn proud of what you guys created today. So be proud of what you've done. You have accomplished something amazing. Nice work. And just one final thanks again to our sponsors. Without you, we couldn't do this. With our team mentors who work weekly with the teams, we couldn't do it without you. And all the others that support the teams, and for you for supporting each other, because we saw a lot of that going on last night as well. Thank you all for being here. We look forward to seeing you at the next Expo on April 29th. Thanks.